Guys, today we're going to be talking about mass and weight as well as free body diagrams. Let's get started. So mass refers to the measure of inertia of an object. So inertia, as we mentioned before, is the tendency for an object to remain in its initial state of motion. So if it's not moving, it tends to stay unmoving. If it is moving, then it tends to stay in motion. Now, if it's moving at constant velocity, it'll keep moving at constant velocity, unless if there's a force acting on it. If it's accelerating, it means that there is some force acting on it, and it'll most likely stay accelerating unless the force changes. Anyways, mass is the measure of the inertia of an object. So, measures its ability to remain in its state of motion. And mass does not